Have y'all ever had an old-timey spoon pudding? Well, I am going to share with y'all the recipe in the Paula Deen Cooking Bible, and it's Southern spoon bread. And it's so easy to make, and you don't splice it like you would regular cornbread. You serve it with a spoon. So I've got my cornmeal, I've got my salt, and I've got like how much do I have?
1.5 cups water.
Okay, I don't see it.
It's in the directions.
Oh, okay.
We add in that.
Okay. So it didn't list it as one of the ingredients. Wonder why did you do that?
You just wanted to see if they were reading the directions.
Let's read the whole direction. All right, so I'm going to let this cook until most of the moisture has evaporated. And that'll probably take 10 minutes. And you talking about good, honey, cook you some mustard greens or collard greens. You know, I put some collard greens. A friend of Michael's brought me a mess of his collards and his mustard. So I'll cook that along with this spoon bread with some sliced onions.
And tomato.
Yes, and some fresh, ripe Georgia tomatoes. Gonna be so good. You don't even need a meat with this one, y'all. Just veggies. Uh-oh. I dropped it. So about 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, all that water is absorbed, and it didn't take quite 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna add the butter. Stir it until it melts. And we cut it in small pieces, you can see, so it'll melt quicker. And now I'm gonna add our milk. And I'm gonna kind of slowly add that milk rather than dumping it all in there at one time. All right, it's no longer hot, but just to ensure that my eggs don't wind up like scrambled eggs, I'm going to just temper that with a little bit of our cornmeal. Our yolks from our little chickens. Oh, I got to go put the chickens up. It's like they're orange. The yolk is just pure orange. That looks like a big old pot of grits, doesn't it? Looks like cheese grits. Oh, speaking of cheese, if you like a cheesy cornbread, add some cheddar cheese to this. It's good. All right. I got out this pan, but I decided to go down one size. It calls for an 8-inch. Oops. Calls for an 8-inch pan. And I'm going to spray it real good because I don't want this sticking on us. And when I make spoon bread, I don't preheat my pan like I would for normal cornbread because I like to get that pan so hot it's just on fire when I pour my cornbread in there, so it'll give that nice crust. But with a spoon bread, we're not going to do that. Look. Got to get our spoon ready, kids. Got to get our spoons ready. They ain't talking today. I think that today is their day off from talking. All right, let's see. I think it's $3.50 or $3.75.
$3.75.
Yeah. So for 50 minutes, but we're gonna see. See how juicy, loosey that mix is. That's why we're gonna use a spoon when we go to eat it. Eddie, I wish that we could magically have some turnip greens show up. Look at this. See how it's wet. Who wants some of this? Me. It's so good, Teresa. You know, this is kind of like a combination of nice thick grits and cornbread. I want turnips. I want turnip greens. So if you're intimidated about making cornbread, you say it doesn't ever taste right, try the spoon bread because it's just hard to mess up. So love and best dishes, y'all. But before I go, I get some of the sweetest emails and messages, letters out there from y'all. And I got an email from Shirley Isbell. And she said, my husband and I traveled to see her brother and his family in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And for the first time ever, we got to meet one another, and we chose your place so everyone could get what they wanted to eat. We must have spent dollar signs in your store, in your cute store, and had a wonderful meal, and the service was incredible. I just want you to know how much we appreciate your concept, and we hope you consider coming to our little adorable town of Columbus, Texas. I wish I could be everywhere, girl. I wish I could be everywhere, girl. But I appreciate your sweet email. Thank you so much. I'm going to be in Myrtle Beach very soon, too. Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.